following content is merely for entertainment purposes only. This video contains valid EAS tones, and they shall not be played on the air. Don't be stupid by playing this in the air. If you do, you will get a $100,000 fine or even go to jail. And I'm not really responsible for all music, audios, and other things that I used in this video. These scenarios are only people 12 plus. If you're under the age of 12 plus, watch it as your own risk.
Good morning and welcome to KTLA5 News for Los Angeles. Right now, we have upcoming reports that an investigation is happening right now in downtown LA. Multiple people have not moved for minutes to hours. The LAPD are going to see why everyone's stuck and not moving. If you see this happening in your area, contact 911 and they will take you to a safe place. Keep tuned for more information and updates about this situation.
The civil authorities has issued a law enforcement warning for the following counties or areas. The entire state of California, effective until 1:30 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. We've got more and more reports that people in California have stopped moving. It's unknown what's happening. The mentioned cities that were affected were Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco, Sacramento, and Fresno. Take cover as everyone is freezing from an unknown source. Keep tuned.
This is an ABC News special report. Now reporting.
We have more updates about the upcoming events that are happening back in Los Angeles, California. Apparently, everyone is nearly affected by the freezing in all of California. Some states has been affected. They are Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Arizona, New Mexico, and Utah. The young country bomber's second president has said something over of what's happening. He said, and state, I think I know how everyone has stopped moving is because of this trend of English or Spanish. The person says English or Spanish, and that person chooses one language and says back, whoever moves first is gay. So that explains what's happening in California right now. Wait, what? Everyone, we interrupt your news program for a national emergency. Please stand by.
This message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. Everyone should brace for impact. The English or Spanish is happening. Whatever you do, do not. Everyone. English or Spanish. If you choose English, whoever moves first is gay. If you move, you're gay. Good luck.